Hey everyone, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're headed to Disneyland Park in Paris to experience the magic of Big Thunder Mountain. This one is slightly different than some of the other layouts in the parks in the US, and it's set on an island, so you actually start on the shore, go underneath the water, head out to the island, and then head back underneath the water to get back to shore. Thank you so much for riding along with us, and if you're ready to experience this magic in person, be sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link right down below. And if you love this look at the rides, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Disney friends.